Hey Rolla residents, what do you love most about living in our little town? Is it our local businesses, our police and fire departments? What do you want to see improved in our community? More officers? Improved public safety services? Well, all these things cost money. To help pay for police and fire, businesses in Rolla currently collect a 2.25% local sales tax, and businesses elsewhere in Phelps County collect a little less, 1.125%. That's how we pay for public safety. But did you know that online stores and out-of-state vendors such as catalogs don't currently collect any tax to help pay for these things? When you order something online, the delivery truck uses our streets, and our police investigate if the package gets stolen. But the online store collects no local sales tax for Rolla. However, that online store or other out-of-state vendor does collect the 4.225% sales tax for the state of Missouri. Why? Because the state has something called a use tax. But Rolla does not have a use tax, so we can't get the same 2.25% from the out-of-state vendor that we would get if you bought the same item from a Rolla business. On November 5th, Phelps County voters will decide whether or not Rolla and Phelps County should have a use tax, so the out-of-state vendors would collect the same tax rate as our local businesses. As is currently the case, if you're buying less than $2,000 worth of goods from an out-of-state business with no connection to Missouri, you won't have to report the use tax. In addition, our local businesses won't pay use tax on items purchased out of state that they're going to resell here. Keep in mind, you'll never pay the use tax in addition to any sales tax. There will only be one or the other, and the use tax will always be the same rate as the sales tax. Over 260 Missouri cities and counties have already approved a use tax, including cities such as Sedalia, Warrensburg, Kirksville, Hannibal, St. Louis, Springfield, and Waynesville. That means their residents pay the same tax rate whether they buy at their local store or from an out-of-state vendor. If Rolla passes the use tax, the money would fully fund public safety services such as police, fire, and animal control to keep up with our growing city. Learn more at rollacity.org and vote on November 5th. And remember, shop local to support our local businesses.